All right, so we have a mapping diagram, and our goal right here is to determine whether the relation represented by this mapping diagram is a function or not. As you can see, I have my Desmos open because I'm going to be using that to help me solve this problem so I can plot my points and then conduct the vertical line test to help me determine whether it is a function or not. So all I'm going to do is go over here to my plus sign in Desmos, and I need to add a table. As you can see, I have my X and my Y column. So I'm going to go back over here to my ordered pairs, and I'm going to start with my -10, and it is going over to 1. So my first ordered pair will be -10, and it's going over to 1. My next ordered pair is going to be -8, and it is also going over to 1. So I got -8 going over and y being 1. Then I have -6, and it is moving over. The output is 2, so -6 and 2. All right, and then I have -4. All right, and that output is also 2, so -4 and 2. And then I have -2, and it is also going and pointing to the 2. So we have -2 pointing to our 2. All right, and then I don't see all my points. I kind of see one right here, but if I hit my zoom fit, all my points will then pop up on my screen. There's a couple ways that you can do this. You can use a pen or a pencil, or you can also add a line, like for example, x equals 1, like I just did, and that'll give you the ability to slide back and forth to see if our vertical line, for our vertical line test, is touched by more than 1 point at any given time. So if we start over here with -10, 1, there's only 1 point on that vertical line, so we're good. All right. We come over here, there's only 1 point. Only 1 point here, only 1 point here, and only 1 point here. So of all these ordered pairs, there is never a time where my vertical line, for my vertical line test, is touched by more than 1 point at one time. So as a result, that tells us that this mapping diagram is in fact a function because it passes the VLT.